in chapter 6 and chapter 7 of Political Treatise, Baruch Spinoza also makes another observation that I found to be interesting. He says that in a commonwealth, the biggest enemy of a commonwealth is always internal. The threat is more internal than external. Sometimes when we think of a commonwealth, a country, a state, we always think the biggest enemy is from outside. Others will come and invade and whatever. But he says, no, the biggest threat is always internal, because there are always people inside who are conspiring to grab power. Seditious conspiration is always happening internally. And that creates a very unstable situation. And so he says, and sometimes that hampers or weakens the monarchy, or makes the monarchy not to be efficient, because in these chapters he's talking about the monarchy. In other chapters he will talk about aristocracy and other forms of government. But in this case he says, because of that internal threat that is always more real than external threat, it forces the monarchy to act in a certain way. And that way is always not beneficial to the Commonwealth.